this Softwash system working. Okay, first things first, we've got the metering valves, we've got the 20 litre bleach pump, all on quick connections, and then the on-off switch. We have the option for a controller so you can turn the flow up and down. Stainless steel reels. So what we've got is, we've got our water tank here, 210 litre, that fuels the pressure washer. But then we've got the Softwash side. So what we're going to do is, just going to take the bleach lid off. We're going to point the three-way flush valve into the bleach direction. We're going to set our soap to make it sticky. Set the percentage of our bleach, just at 1.5%. Turn our water on. Turn our pump on. And start soft washing. So we basically just start running the pump until we start to see soap. Nice flow, as you can see. It's just on a fan jet. So now we should start to see the soap in a minute. The reason we don't see it right away is because we're purging the system first. There we go. There's the soap. Back to the soft washing. Obviously, all our systems come with these. We've got shooter tip, fan jet, and then we've also got these smaller nozzles for when you're doing it at low flow. So let's see how far this shoots then. You ready? Easily up to the eaves. So we're just going to clean our fascias now. 1%. Easy peasy. Fascia cleaning is so easy now. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. So we'll just leave that on there for a couple of minutes and then we'll rinse it off. So now we're going to put everything into flush mode. So we want to put water through our chemical line and through our pump. So we're going to make sure our soap's turned off. Keep the chemical line open. But using this three-way flush valve, we turn it to the flush position. And this means we can basically just start sucking water through our bleach lines and to just efficiently flush through our system. Obviously this system comes with a pressure washer, so you can do pressure washing, soft washing, render cleaning. Got your battery in here, all in one solution. Now let's flush through the system. So it's going to take us a couple of minutes just to flush the system out, get rid of the soap and flush with only water. So even though it's windy, we're still able to get right to the ridge here. This is around about 6 to 8 meters easily. So we've got 1/2-inch hose on here, so we've got nice high flow rate. All them spiders' webs are just peeling off now. There we go. Yeah, just knock them spiders' webs off. Easy. All gone. Okay, so we're done now. So it's just time to wrap up. Just make sure I rinse the plants off. So everything's done. Turn the pump off. And just reel it back in. Oh, damn. Whew. And there we go, done. Hopefully, the fastest soft wash system in the West Midlands.